Hello, my name is Eric Hooper. This is Microbiology 225, and today is 5/16/2021. And this is a lab preparation for microbiology. Before I get started though, or first thing I want to do is go over some of the questions that were proposed to me on planning and time management. And for me, working full-time, of course, it's going to be a challenge. But I did do anatomy and physiology through this university and was successful. So hopefully I can use my same time management skills and be successful in this course. And that is just usually plan ahead. Don't wait till the last minute to do my assignments. Read the instructions, plan, prepare, and really preparation is the key to the experiments and being successful. And so I have a lot of time that I do after work, 3 or 4 hours after I get off work, set aside just to study and to do this, do my readings, read the instructions, and set up for my labs. So how do I want to minimize errors or mistakes? And that is to read the directions, reread them, and reread them again. If I have any questions, I can always reach out to my professor, other classmates in my cohort, so I can use those resources and get guidance and feedback to minimize the errors. Like I said, reading the directions, keeping everything not cluttered in my work area, and just being prepared is the main reason to minimize my mistakes. And one of the other questions was how to improve the lab activity, and that is just to do my best. Like I said, follow the directions and speak clearly, and when and those types of things. To just kind of, I like to approach my labs as if I was teaching it. So not just as if I'm doing it, but as if I'm teaching somebody else. And some of my background is in paramedicine and teaching paramedic school, paramedic students, being a preceptor. So I enjoy that teaching aspect, and that's kind of how it helps me retain things and learn things better if I take that approach. And how does the saying go? You watch one, do one, teach one. And so that's kind of my philosophy. And to avoid any confusion with the labs, again, I would reach out to my instructor, other classmates in the cohort, and seek direction before just blindly trying to do the labs. Again, we have minimal amounts that we can use during these lab assignments. So I want to keep my mistakes to the minimum, keep my spills, hopefully not any spills, but keep my spills or mishaps to the minimum, and just be careful and watch what I'm doing. So that's kind of to answer the questions. I do have my, let me just take my phone off of here for a minute. Okay. I do have my calendar here for May and June, actually. I don't know if you can see that, May and June. Let me just, here's my lab kit. So the required stuff I put in the refrigerator that needed to be refrigerated, my microscope here. This isn't where I'm going to be doing my labs, but I'll probably keep it in my bedroom for right now, or in my closet. And I'll show you my closet. Just, stay out of the reach of children. So I could keep it up here. But For right now, I'm just keeping it right there. Nobody comes in my bedroom. My son doesn't come in here, and so it's pretty safe as far as that's concerned. So I'll take you downstairs, and I'll show you where I'm going to do my lab experiments. I might do them in 2 different locations. I have been doing them on my countertop just because I have kitchen access, I have sink access. We did have a birthday here, so here's my countertop where I probably will be doing my lab exercises again with the sink close by. And then the incubation sites that I've chosen is in my laundry room, in the cupboard here. So I'll be keeping them right here. I got a thermometer here, and it's about 22 Celsius in here. There's no drafts. It's out of the reach of pets and children, and so that's where I want to be keeping my incubation sites. Again, that concludes this lab presentation, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon.